Hi guys, welcome to Teju's Vlog. Today I am at Raja Bhoj Airport, which is the primary airport serving Bhopal, the capital of Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. Named after the 10th century Parmara king Raja Bhoj, it is the second busiest airport in Madhya Pradesh after Devi Ahilyabai Holkar Airport in Indore. So today I am taking a flight from Bhopal to Kochi via Hyderabad because there is no direct flight, so I am taking a connecting flight. I am standing just behind the outside the boarding gate to wait for the boarding bus. This is the passenger waiting lounge for the domestic flights in the ground floor, and there are 3 aero bridges in the first floor, and for the domestic flight we are usually boarding from the ground floor. And this is Bhojpur temple. The picture is encrypted here, and the boarding is about to start. Here we have the boarding bus, and we have to get in, and it will take us to the flight. So this Raja Bhoj airport is located in the northwestern side of Bhopal, 15 kilometers away from the Bhopal Junction railway station in the city center and 20 kilometers away from the Habibganj railway station. The airport is also near the intersection of National Highway 46 and State Highway 18, which connects Bhopal to Indore. So these are what is seen here is the aero bridges, which is generally catering to the boarding needs of air buses. And today the flight which we are going to board is the category of ATR flight. This is much smaller flight with a seating capacity of 74 passengers. So Indigo has the fleets of Airbus and ATR in their fleet category, and ATR is a twin-engine turboprop short-haul regional airliner developed and produced by France and Italy by aircraft manufacturer ATR. The Indigo ATR flight which we are going to board today is 6E7122. The takeoff time is 1:45 p.m. and the landing time is 4 p.m. and total flight duration is 2 hours 15 minutes. And it will be reaching Hyderabad, and from Hyderabad to Kochi we have to take another flight, and it will be after 5 hours waiting duration, and it will be around 9:40 p.m. and it will reach or land at Kochi at 11:10 p.m. I just took the seat over here. It's fully congested. The flight is fully occupied because there are so many college students who have boarded this flight, and they are like going for the academic purpose. And this flight, as I already informed, this is very a small flight, so people will face difficulties in stretching their legs and sitting comfortably. Rather than in an Airbus, this ATR flight category is little congested one. It's economical or low cost flight, so you have to expect that kind of facility only.
और विंडो शेड्स खुले रखें। टेक ऑफ और लैंडिंग के दौरान कैबिन की बत्तियां धीमी की जाएंगी। यदि आप पढ़ना चाहें तो पैनल में लगी बत्ती का प्रयोग करें। धन्यवाद। Request your attention, please. As we prepare for departure, please open the window shades, close your tray tables, and fasten your
I will
seatbelts.
just show
The
you
cabin
how
lights will
much leg space I have here. So this is the leg space, very narrow leg space here. If you are a healthy person, it will be a difficult journey if you are traveling for more than 2 hours, but it's just 2 hours, so we can manage anyhow. So the flight is about to take off.
आज के विमान दर आज 9 में सृष्टि आपकी मुख्य कर्मदर हूँ। हम हिंदी और अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं। हमें इस बात की बेहद खुशी है कि आज आप हमारे साथ यात्रा कर रहे हैं। इंडिगो के लिए आपका हित सर्वोपरि है। प्रत्येक उड़ान से पहले विमान में बार सैनिटाइज किया गया है। अपनी और अपनी सह यात्रा की सुरक्षा के लिए आपसे निवेदन है कि उड़ान के दौरान नाक और मुंह फेस शील्ड से ढके रहें। अपने हाथों को नियमित रूप से सैनिटाइज करें और अपने निर्धारित सीट पर ही बैठे रहें। विमान कर्मी दल आपकी सुरक्षा के लिए उपलब्ध है। धन्यवाद। Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we welcome you on flight 6C7122. We will take 1 hour 50 minutes to reach Hyderabad. Between the flight deck are Captain Kiran and First Officer Kamal. In the cabin is Ashna and Shishti, lead cabin crew member. Our crew today speak English and Hindi. We are truly elated to have you on board with us today. For Indigo, your welcome is our highest priority and our aircraft authority sanitized before every flight. Given the current health situation, we request you to take safety precaution for yourself and co-passengers by keeping your...
To open, lift the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. There are 4 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 forward and 2 rear. The nearest exit can also be behind you. The escape path marking system will guide you to the nearest...
Try to fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive her. Can I hide away above it all from the silence? It's conceited, 'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise,
So that's it, guys. See you all in my next video of landing at Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad. Till then, bye bye. Take care.
we'll